We're now going to look at a number that is already in standard form, and we want to get it out of standard form and get it back into the original number that it used to be. So in order to do that, the first thing you do is locate where the inserted decimal point is. It's clearly there because this is the number between 1 and 10. So that's our inserted decimal point I. What you then do is you look at the power of 10. The power of 10 tells you the direction and how many places you have to move to get from the inserted decimal point to the original one. So we have to move the inserted decimal point 5 places to the right because the power of 10 is positive. So we're going to have to move inserted decimal point 5 places right. So that's exactly now what we're going to do. So what we do is just simply copy down our 5.76. We're going to move the inserted decimal point 5 places to the right. So we have 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, 4 place, 5 place, so it's going to finish here. So all the little humps, fill them in with zeros, so there's 1, 2, 3, and then just check it. So we're moving the inserted decimal point 5 places right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then write down our answer. So our answer then is going to be 576, and then we've got 3 zeros after it. In other words, 576,000. So that's what the number used to be before it was put into standard form. You could check that it's correct by then going ahead and putting it into standard form again. Okay. Example B, so we've got 1.12 times 10 to the power minus 4. It's clearly in standard form. We've got a number between 1 and 10 multiplied by 10 to a particular number. So first of all, identify where the inserted decimal point is. So it's between the 1 and the 1. Then look for the power of 10. The power of 10, remember, tells you how many places and what direction you have to move to get from the inserted decimal point back to the original. So we have to move the inserted decimal point 4 places left because the power of 10 is negative. That's indicating we're moving to the left. So again, start by writing down the number between 1 and 10. So we've got 1.12. So that's our inserted decimal point. We're going to move it 4 places left. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to finish there. So underneath all the humps, fill them in with zeros. 1, 2, 3. And because that's where the original decimal point is, we need to put a 0 in the units column immediately before it. And then write it out. So our final answer 0.0000112. So that was what the number used to be before we put it in standard form.